let us discuss about deletion in B plus tree. Here a B plus tree is given. Here in B plus tree, the leaf nodes are connected using pointers by default. Here I am not using any pointers. Here the order of this tree is order m equal to 4. The maximum number of keys are m minus 1, that is 3. Minimum number of keys are seal of m by 2 minus 1. Here m is 4. Seal of 4 by 2 means 4 by 2 means 2. Seal of 2 means 2 only. So 2 minus 1 means 1. So maximum per node we can use 3 keys. Next per node minimum we can use 1 key. Here our aim is to delete all these keys from the B plus tree. So first let us delete 21. So first we have to find the location of 21. 21 is greater than 20. So traverse to the right. 21 is less than 25. So traverse to the left. 21 is greater than 20. Here we have 21. So now count the number of keys in this leaf node. This is leaf node. All these are leaf nodes. Here this leaf node contains 2 keys. So 2 means more than minimum number of keys. If the leaf node contains more than minimum number of keys, then directly we can remove that key. Let us check whether 21 is present in internal nodes or not. Here these nodes are internal node. This is B plus tree. In B plus tree, in internal node we have some pointers. Here there is no 21 in the internal node. So we can simply remove this 21 from this node. Next, after deleting 21, this is the output. I am updating the output in the same diagram. Next, let us delete 31. So first to find the location of 31. Here we have 31, but this 31 is internal node. Internal node means pointer. So this is also called as index node. And this is the leaf node. Actual key is here. So we have to delete this 31 as well as this 31. So let us count the number of keys in this node. So this leaf node contains 2 keys. So this leaf node is also containing more than minimum number of keys. So simply we can remove that. So let us remove 31 from this node. So now this node is containing only 1 key, that is 42. Next let us remove 31 from the index node, internal node. Why? Because here also we have more than 1 key, more than 1 value. So we can remove here also. But we have to replace this index with some other index. We have to replace this index with the minimum value of the right subtree. So here what is the minimum value? 42. So copy that value here. After deleting 31, this is the output. Next, let us delete 20. So find the location of the 20. Here we have 20, but this 20 is internal node, index node. This 20 is leaf node. So first to delete this 20. Let us count the number of keys in this node. This node is containing only 1 key. So 1 key means this node is containing only the minimum number of keys. So directly we can't remove the key from this node. Why? Because if we remove this node, if we remove this key from the node, then this node will contain null value. But here the constraint is, B plus tree constraint is, every node must contain minimum 1 key. So we have to borrow a key from left sibling or right sibling. But unfortunately here there is no left sibling for this node. Here we have right sibling for this node. So right sibling means we have to find the minimum value. We have to find the minimum value of the right sibling. So here what is the minimum value? 25 is the minimum value. Here which node we are removing? We are removing 20. So find the minimum value of the right sibling, that is 25. So transfer this value to the parent node. So transfer this value to the parent. Next, copy this value to the children. Copy this value to the target node. So this is the target node. So copy this value to the target node. So here we have 28. So let's check whether the condition is satisfying or not. Here the parent node is 25. This is B plus tree. So here the left subtree contains less than the parent node, whereas in B plus tree the right subtree contains greater or equal to the parent value. So instead of 25, it is better to transfer 28. So now 28 is the parent node, whereas 25 is less than 28. Here the right one is 28. So here this right child may be greater or equal to this parent. There is no problem. So according to the comfortability, according to the constraints, we need to do the replacement. So after deleting 20, here we have 20. In internal node we have 20. So internal node means we have to replace this node with either inordered predecessor or inordered successor. So inordered successor means right subtree minimum value, whereas inordered predecessor means left subtree maximum value. Here I am replacing with inordered successor. Here the right subtree minimum value is 25. So let us replace 20 with 25. So this is the final output after deleting 20. Now let us remove 10. So find the location of the 10. Here we have 10 and 10 is not present in the internal node. Let us count the number of keys in this node. This leaf node is containing more than minimum number of keys. So directly we can remove it. So directly remove 10. There is no problem. Next, after removing 7, this is the output. Next, let us remove 25. Let us find the location of the 25. 25 is, next we have to remove 7. Let us remove 7 now. After that we have for 25. So let us remove 7 now. So 10 is deleted. After deleting 10, this is the output. Now let us delete 7. So find the location of the 7. So this is the location of the 7. As well as in index or internal node also we have 7. But here what is the problem? This node is containing only one key. That means this node is containing only minimum number of keys. This node is not containing more than minimum number of keys. So we have to borrow a key either from left sibling or right sibling. Already we have borrowed here from the right sibling. Now let us borrow from the left sibling. So left sibling means the maximum value will be transferred. Here which node we are removing? Here we are removing the key 7. So what is the maximum value here? Out of 1 and 4. So 4 is the maximum value. So transfer that value to the parent. Here we are removing 7. So let us remove that 7 and transfer this parent to the target node 4. So after removing 7, this is the output. Simply we are following B tree conventions only. So if the node is containing only minimum number of keys, then we have to borrow either from left or right sibling. Okay. So here 1 is less than 4 and 4 is equals to the 4. So it is satisfying the conditions. So no need to make any modifications. Now let us remove 25. So find the location of the 25. 25. It is available in the internal node as well as this key also. This leaf node also. So first let us remove this 25. This leaf node is having only one key. That means this leaf node is having only minimum number of keys. So we have to borrow a key either from left sibling or right sibling. But for 25, for this node, there is no left sibling. So let us borrow from the right sibling. But here what is the problem? The right sibling node is also containing only minimum number of keys. It is not containing more than minimum number of keys. So if it is containing more than minimum number of keys, so then only borrowing is possible. but it is containing only one key. So 25 node will ask the parent. So which node now we are removing? 25. So 25 will ask the parent. So now 28 comes down. We have to merge 25 and 28. So after merging, let us remove 25. So after merging, let us remove 25. So now here we have only 42. So 42 left to child is 28. So the key 25 is removed. So now we have to remove this internal node 25. So for that we have to replace with either inordered successor or inordered predecessor. Let us replace with inordered successor. Inordered successor means writes up to minimum value. Here the minimum value is 28. So let us replace 25 with 28. So after removing 25, this is the output. Now let us remove 42. So find the location of the 42. So here we have 42. In internal node also we have 42. But here what is the problem? This node is having only minimum number of keys. So it will ask left sibling. Left sibling is also having minimum number of keys. So it will ask the parent. So parent is also having only one key. So merging is also not possible. If we perform the merging also, then we will have only 42 only. So it will ask the left sibling. So in left sibling, it is having more than minimum number of keys. So this is left sibling. Left sibling means we have to find the maximum value. So here what is the maximum value? Out of 4, 17. 17 is the maximum value. So that 17 will be transferred to the parent. Next, the 28 will be transferred to this target node. 28. So this 42 will be removed now. So here we have 28. So it should not be in the left part. Left part always contains lesser values, whereas right part contains equal or greater values. Now let us check the arrangement. So here we have 4. 1 is less than 4. 4 right part is 4. Here we have 17, 19. 17, 19 should be in 28 left part. 17, 19. So 17, 17. So greater part. So right part means equal or greater value. So there is no problem. So after deleting all these elements, this is the final output. So likewise in the examination, you can solve any problem very easily. So after performing the deletion, we need to check whether the conditions, bind ST conditions are satisfied or not. If not satisfied, then make the changes.